Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use undo and redo in AutoCAD, essential editing commands. So let's get started. First, use Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on Mac to undo your last action. Over here, press the shortcut again if you want to undo multiple steps one by one. Then go to the Quick Access toolbar and click the Undo button. After that, use the command line and type undo or U, then press Enter. Over here, enter the number of actions you want to undo for better control. Then move on to redo actions using Ctrl-Y on Windows or Command-Shift-Z on Mac. After that, click the Redo button from the Quick Access toolbar. Over here, type Redo in the command line and press Enter to redo your last undone action. Then remember that Redo only works immediately after using Undo. After that, avoid performing new actions if you still want to redo something. Over here, use Undo carefully when reversing multiple steps at once. Then continue working with better control over your design changes. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.